Lovely people! I am so excited to connect with all of you. It has been too long. And I'm so excited because tomorrow I am doing a free live training to share with you what it takes to repair a broken relationship. After a breakup, after a separation, if you're going through a divorce, I know it's so hard. I know it is so painful because I help people just like you every day. And I love doing free live trainings because we can come together in an intimate setting and really support one another and learn what to do next to advance this process in a healthy way. It's not always simple, but it's so worthwhile. And I know that you're motivated, and I really want to help to channel that motivation so that you have no regrets, so that you learn to turn this crisis into an opportunity for growth, and so that you can prove to yourself, first and foremost, and then eventually to the one you love, that you are worthy of love, that you will not be defined by your shortcomings and by the mistakes ultimately that led to the separation and the breakup. And there are some fundamental concepts, things that you need really to be able to digest in order to see this process through. And those are the elements that we are going to explore together. No matter if the breakup or separation occurred today, yesterday, or a month from now, or even years ago, you're going to learn from this. This is tried and tested in the field with thousands upon thousands upon thousands of individuals all over the world who, just like you, went through a painful separation, breakup, divorce, and who were able to come out stronger, healthier, and to create conditions for their ex to choose to be with them again. That's what this is about. That's what we are going to explore together. And it's been a while that I've been posting on this YouTube channel. I apologize for that. A lot of things are happening, coaching people, young kids, married life, trying to do a little bit of good in the world around me. And so I'm going to try to do better and to post more frequently because I want to support you, because I want you guys to know that I'm here, especially when the going gets tough. But the best way for me to support you is through these webinars, these free live trainings where at no cost, really, we can go deep. And I'm going to share with you a little bit about my life, what I've gone through, how I was able to get back with my significant other, who is now my wife. And yeah, some of the things that I learned both from personal experience, but also coaching individuals who, like you, thought that all hope was lost or that we're in a state of negativity, vulnerability, and sometimes even desperation. So please click on the link below, register for my free live training, which will be Wednesday, August 20th at 1 p.m. Eastern, which is 10 a.m. Pacific time, which is 7 p.m. for those of you in Western Europe. And come prepared to learn. Come with an open heart. Come with an open mind. Only come if you're willing to do the work, because I can't do it for you. I can only be there to show you the way, to encourage you, to share with you what has worked, what are the profound concepts that you need to really put into practice in your day-to-day. And if you're coming with that intention and prepared to do the work, I know that it's going to be truly transformational and that it can really help to rebuild this new relationship that you truly desire. So keep fighting the good fight. Fighting the good fight entails continuing to get the knowledge that you deserve. And I can't wait to see you in 24 hours to provide you with that support and that hope and that guidance. Come with your questions. I will try to take questions as well. And I want this to be very applicable, really. Things that you can put into place today, tomorrow, for the days to come, so that you can start to see a change, a shift, and a transformation. I believe that it is possible when we do the work to do amazing things, including creating a new relationship with someone that we care about, rebuilding trust, even when all hope seems lost sometimes. So Keep fighting the good fight. See you tomorrow. And I cannot wait to spend that time learning together. Much love.